Hello everyone. My name is Edward Mays. I am one of the most persons to actually teaching jewelry making. I got into this jewelry making about a year ago, and I ended up doing pretty good on it. I want to share this with everybody I can share it with. It'll be a little difficulty from the beginning, but I would always have a number you can call, video chats at times, and if you want to get in touch with me at times, just look at my website and you'll be able to really put a comment in there and I can be able to call you back. All right, now let's get started here. First thing we got to do is, what are we going to make? I said from the beginning, let's make a necklace with a cross. Okay, that's one of the most popular things out there right now. Let's see, first one I'm going to have, I said this cross right here. We want to make a nice cross, have it be able to have people be able to wear that cross out in public and everything. First thing we got to do in that case is we want to be able to make it so it's probably, I'll say about, let's go about 15 inches long. Most of the time I already know what it is, the length of it and everything. I have been doing this so much, you know, and all that. I kind of basically know. First thing, I got me my box here. It's got a lot of the items in it. I'm going to put that up and show you. That's all your findings. That's what they call it. They call findings. And it's, most of it is pieces, jewelry, that you are able to put together in order for you to get your necklace made. All right, let's go ahead on and start now. First thing I want to do is get my chain, and then that way we can see how long we're gonna have it, how long we're gonna make it, and everything. Let's see. Okay, I got one to change here. I always keep a chain in there in order to have it so I'll be able to know what my lengths are and how long I'm gonna make it and everything. Okay, so this is a piece of chain right here. That length right there, that's about 15 inches there. Okay, let's start out with this one. That's the chain I'm talking about. A lot of things you can get over at Michael's. Michael's, the places I deal with is Michael's and Joann's. Those are the people that I really deal with. All right, let's get started. First thing we got to do is, since we're going to measure the chain, we want to get the findings. And we want to get one that we think that we can have on the end of this particular type of making. I'm going to let you see every little piece I use and all. This, you see it? That's called a split jump ring. Okay. In order to open up this split jump ring, you got to have your split jump ring tool. This is what this one is called right here. It opens up that jump ring so you can put your chain and stuff through it. All right, I'm going to do that one right now. I got it. I'm opening it up. And next, you're going to take your chain and your last one on it, you're going to put it in with that jump ring and then be able to twist it on around. And you already got one end of it made. Now, but in order for you to work though, what you want to do is you want to get you another jump ring. Let's see here. These things are a little fine and everything. You can't. Want to make sure you get the right side. Okay. Second jump ring. Second jump ring. That is right there. Second jump ring. You want to be able to take your chain and the end that you haven't put a jump ring on, you want to be able to stick it right through the middle of it. If I can see the middle of it. There you go. And you're able to have that one. What it's going to do, it's going to slide around the length of the chain and everything. Okay. Now, next thing you want to do is you got to get your third jump ring. Always use the split jump rings. The split jump rings, they will not let your ends fall off because they're going around twice already. So I want to take that third jump ring, open it up. And next, put it through the end of the other end of the chain. Now, this is the tricky part now. When you get that one in, you want to take your lobster claws. Your lobster claws, let me show you about what that lobster claw looks like. That's what that lobster claw look like, right there. What that does is opens up so you can connect the two around your neck. Okay. Got my lobster claw there. And I'm putting it on my jump ring. Slide it around until it gets on there. When you hear the click, you know you got them right. You know you got them right. Okay. Now, I got my jump ring on the first end. Got my lobster claw and jump ring on the second end. Put those two together. Now, I got one piece. That's my necklace right there. Okay. Now, but we're going to have a cross on that necklace. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our cross that we're going to put on it. Right here. There it is right there. Okay, hold on. What we're going to do on this particular one is, you know that second jump ring we put on in the middle? That's the one we want to hang our cross on. Okay, there it is. See it? See it? It's right there in the middle. It's hanging out. You could see it right there. All right, that's the one we're going to hang our cross on. Okay, got it right here. Remember, it's a split jump ring, so you got to get it open up. That's why you're going to get your jump ring, split jump ring open tube. Open that sucker up. Right there. And you got your cross right here. Put it on this way, see how it come out. And you're going to twist it around. Don't twist it around, and there you got it. You got your cross made up. There's your cross on it. And there's your jumper ring. Now, only thing you got to do is close it up. Clamp it together. And we are going to put it on as a stand. Now that's how it looks. That's your cross. How you like it? How you like it? Oh yeah. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. Remember, I started a year ago. I can make all kind of jewelry now. Next time I make another jewelry, guess what it's going to be? Yep, you're right. It's gonna be a bracelet. After we gonna do a crosses. See, we just did our crosses. That's your necklace right there. Next one we gonna do is a bracelet. Tune in tomorrow. Tune in tomorrow. Cause I got a surefire way that you can do bracelet and you gonna love it. Well, thank you, and everybody have a blessed day.